Hi everyone, welcome to Code Sutra. Today's video we are build a simple calculator in Python step by step. This project are perfect for beginner who start their Python journey. Let's first see the final output. For that we need run the program, write Python 3 and that file name. Hit the enter button, first number, hit enter button, second number, then hit enter button and enter the operator, then see the final output or result. This is what we are going to build today. First, we need take input from user. Then we write num1 for the first value and we use float function for the convert integer value into float or point values. Then second num that will be same float input, enter second number, then close both. Then initialize operator variable, then input for operators for the operation. We take only for operators for the operation plus minus multiplication and division. That's the four operations we do in this calculator. First we write if operator equal to plus, then we write result equal to num1 plus num2 and print the result. This step are repeated for each operator. We write same for minus, multiplications and also division. Division are need more step for if num2 is equal to 0, that may not be divisible. That wise I'm writing here more statement. Thank you for watching. We meet next video.